What's that line? Dumbledore? What?
Dumbledore. Do I look regal, important, and vaguely homosexual?
Yes. Yes, vaguely.
All the qualifying factors of the
But that's how I always
Also,
look. I like boys, but not little boys.
It's not pedophilia. It's not pedophilia if they're over 18.
But Harry never was.
That's true. Harry is over 18. So it's always pedophilia.
Mentorship is charming and not creepy.
To be fair, I never even guessed until the whole thing, until they,
came out with it. I was like,
yeah.
Really?
He was get stuck in my shirt.
I hit my facial hair just caught my cleavage.
Hey!
Go down.
That's me. Harry, we got really off the. Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, 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 Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry. Oh my God, I'm so
We almost kissed. Come on, guys, just get into it.
Okay. Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape. I'm afraid we're just gonna kiss. There should always be a foot between us.
Snape is so bad. He doesn't even care.
Okay. Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape.
I found the source of the ticking. The paper.
What is the source of that mysterious ticking noise? What is the source of that mysterious ticking
Nope, try again.
noise? What is the source of that
Nope.